इस ऐवान का हिस्सा बनने पर फख्र करती हूँ। रहनुमा पीपल्स पार्टी आसिफ भुट्टो ने असेंबली फ्लोर पर सवाल उठा दिया कि क्या बजट अवामी उमंगों के मुताबिक है। अवाम इससे बेहतर बजट के हकदार थे। ऐसा बजट दिया गया जिसमें अवाम के लिए कुछ नहीं।
A moment for me today, standing here addressing the House that both my grandparents, my parents, my brother have been a part of. We all, as citizens of this fine country, had hopes and aspirations for this budget that had at its core the needs of the people of Pakistan. A budget which provided relief and redirected subsidies to the poor, to the farmers, to the labourers, to the working class. Do you think that these objectives have been raised in this budget? Do you think this is the budget that the people of Pakistan deserve? The people of Pakistan deserve better, Mr. Speaker, and we must work together to do better for our citizens.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।